In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Elementor settings by deleting and recreating the default kit. If your global styles in Elementor feel messy or inconsistent, resetting the default kit is a clean way to start fresh without touching your actual pages or templates. The default kit is where Elementor stores site-wide design settings like global colors, fonts, and basic styling rules. Removing it and letting Elementor recreate a new one restores these settings to their defaults. Let's begin by finding and removing the existing kit. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate through Elementor to the Editor area. Then go to Templates and open Saved Templates. You'll see a list of all the templates saved in your site. In the search box at the top, type Default Kit. The item you're looking for is called Default Kit. It may appear with the type set to Kit. When it appears in the list, click Trash. You'll see a warning message asking you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and click Delete. This removes the current default kit and any global styling it contained. Your pages, posts, and other templates remain intact. You're only resetting the overarching style framework. With the kit deleted, it's time to recreate a clean one. In the WordPress dashboard, head to Elementor, then Tools, and open the General tab. Because the default kit is now missing, you should see an option labeled Recreate Kit. If you don't see it, double-check that the kit was fully deleted in the previous step. Click Recreate Kit. Elementor will generate a fresh default kit with factory default global settings, giving you a reliable baseline to work from. To finalize the reset, click Save Changes. This applies the new kit to your site so Elementor knows to use the clean defaults going forward. After saving, it's a good idea to open the Elementor editor for any page and quickly review the global settings panel. You'll notice that colors, fonts, and other site-wide styles are back to default, allowing you to redefine them in a controlled, consistent way. That's it. You searched for the default kit, trashed and deleted it, then navigated to Elementor tools to recreate it, and saved your changes. This simple sequence clears out problematic global styles and gives you a solid foundation for rebuilding your site's design system. If you've been chasing styling inconsistencies, this reset often resolves them in just a few clicks. Now you can confidently set new global colors, typography, and defaults, knowing you're starting from a clean slate.